Hi YouTube, I got an open box here. Irwin Speedbor. It was on sale, 17 bucks. I only needed the one here. Just one of them was like 4 or 5 bucks, and they had the whole set on sale for 17. So what do we got here? We got 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/2. So there's 8 of them. Wood spade bit set. Speed control, cuts fast and clean. Same thing on the back. So, but I need to make a hole for one of these things. So I measured it with this, and it's just over a 1/2 inch. So I guess that would be 5/8. 4/8 is a 1/2 inch. 5/8 would just be a little more. So let's see how this thing works here. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Comes in a nice carrying case here. Nice hard shell plastic. That slides. Pretty cool. Okay, I got a piece of 2x4 here. I'm gonna try to make a hole in it. This vise doesn't quite do, well, it normally doesn't do a 2x4, but it did that time. So we go 5/8. These just slightly stick down inside here, so they don't all fall out. So it looks like that one will do it. Half inch might work, but it might be kind of tight. I want it to slide easily in and out. Perfect. I hit the vise there just a little bit and it didn't damage it. So that's good to know. Irwin stuff is pretty strong. Okay. since we're here, let's try a 1/2 inch. Let's see if that works. See, that works perfect for what I want to do. I want to, we got an old house. I'm going to drill a hole in the floor and put these down on the floor for doorstop for safety. So let's see here. So I can tell by the looking that's not gonna come close. Okay, that would have cut a lot faster. I just didn't want to hit the vise again. Let's see, just for demonstration purposes here. Let's see how fast this thing will cut. Pretty fast, huh? Let's try a 1/8. Right, we'll get them all dirty, right? Or here's a 1 inch. Pretty cool. Nice clean cut too. Look at that. That's almost like it's been sanded. One more. We'll try the big one. 1 1/2. Okay. That cut clean. That hit the other hole. So okay. Looks cool. See ya. Bye.